guys, welcome back to my channel. Always a pleasure having you in the kitchen. If you're new viewers, definitely welcome to my channel. I do weekly videos. Please consider subscribing by hitting the red subscription button. Also the notification bell. You'll be the first to notify as soon as I release a new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make super amazing shrimps bowl. Plenty of ingredients. Let's check it out. See what I have here is about a pound of shrimps thoroughly prepped clean with some lime vinegar. Also my ingredients for this dish: paprika, OOB, green seasoning, and also onion powder. Do keep in mind, a list of all the ingredients I'm using here will definitely be pinned in the description of the video, so you can always check it out.